Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy Mern project on Cpanel. First, split your Mern app into client and server directories. Next, build your React frontend using pm run build inside the client folder. Now, upload the build folder contents into the public _HTML directory via Panel File Manager. Compress your backend folder into a zip and upload it to your root or subfolder. Then, extract and set up Node.js using the Setup Node.js app tool in Cpanel. Install dependencies via terminal or panel by running pm install in the backend folder. Set your app entry point and environment variables in the Node.js app. Then, connect the front end and backend using the backend's deployed subdomain or root. Restart the Node.js app and visit your domain to test the full Mern app live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.